Oukitel WP210. This thing isn't just another rugged phone. It's built like a tank, but moves like a sports car. Trust me, it's enough to handle the chaos of everyday life while still giving you flagship performance, sleek looks, and a battery that just refuses to quit. No wonder we call it built tough, runs fast, pocket slim. From the very start, the WP210 makes a strong impression. Man, the unboxing feels premium. Honestly, better than the whole empty box with a cable experience you get with $1,000 iPhones or Samsungs. I mean, Oukitel has gone all in. A 45-watt fast charger, USB-C to USB-C cable, protective case, pre-applied screen protector, and all the paperwork you'd expect. In the box, it has that rugged carbon fiber vibe with Oukitel's signature orange strip, which hints at the durability that awaits inside. Moving on, usually buying a smartphone is a compromise. You have to pick between a rugged phone that's slow and clunky or a fast phone that's as fragile as glass. With the WP210, you don't compromise. You get the toughness and the premium user experience all in one place. Inside, it's running the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset, which is no joke. Built on a super efficient 4nm architecture, this chip helps the phone score an impressive 910,709 on Antutu, meaning it's lightning fast. Games like PUBG Mobile and Genshin Impact run buttery smooth. Multitasking is effortless, and switching between apps feels like a breeze. On top of that, you're getting 12 GB of RAM that's expandable up to 36 GB. Yes, 36 gigs. That's more than my old laptop. In storage, a massive 512 GB right out of the box. If you're someone who films in 4K, keeps an endless photo library, or downloads way too many games, this phone's got your back. And then there's the battery. The WP210 carries a colossal 8,800 mAh pack. And it only gets crazier, because Oukitel has managed to fit that into a body that's only 13.7 millimeters thick and 311 grams light. For a rugged phone, that's shockingly slim. You're looking at 2 full days of use on a single charge, and we're talking real-world heavy use. I mean long for business calls, gaming sessions, binge-watching Netflix, or even traveling off the grid. And when it does run low, the 45-watt fast charging gets you back in action in the blink of an eye. And oh god, don't even mention the 10-watt reverse charging. Now let's talk about the design. It combines a sleek aluminum alloy frame with premium vegan leather, giving it a refined look that works just as well in a business meeting as it does on a mountain trail. And of course, it doesn't sacrifice toughness. You're still getting IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810H certifications. In plain English, that means it can handle water, dust, drops, and all kinds of rough conditions without breaking a sweat. On the camera front, Oukitel has gone all in. The main camera is a massive 108 megapixel with a Samsung S5 KH-M6 sensor, and it's paired with 4K video recording. That means your hiking shots, road trip videos, and even casual family photos come out crisp, sharp, and packed with detail. And for selfies or video calls, the 32 megapixel front camera has you covered. And we can't forget about the display. The WP10 has a gorgeous 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMO LED panel. Plus, you're getting a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just doom scrolling late at night, the experience is top-notch. Another thing worth pointing out is the software side. The WP10 runs on Android 15, which means you're getting the latest features, including better battery optimization, stronger privacy tools, and smooth 5G connectivity. This thing has proven speeds, ultra-low latency, and supports advanced use cases like smart city scalability, industrial automation, and even remote healthcare. That might sound fancy, but basically, it means your internet is faster, more stable, and future-proofed. In a nutshell, this phone shatters the stereotype that rugged phones have to be clunky and boring. Instead, it delivers top-tier performance, massive storage, an insane battery, and a design that's both durable and stylish. So yeah, if you're tired of choosing between durability and performance, Oukitel has basically handed us the best of both worlds.
I'll do it till this song goes down. I'll do it that time. Oh yeah, I tell you what you wanna hear.
Thanks for hanging out with us today and checking out this review. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Oukitel WP210 and want to see more fun, honest reviews like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe Tech Utopia, and drop your thoughts in the comments.